Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P2270, indicates that the secondary heated oxygen sensor, HO2S, specifically sensor 2, is providing a circuit signal that is considered stuck lean by the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. This typically suggests that the output voltage of the sensor remains below a predefined threshold when the power is supplied to its heating element. The PCM monitors the voltage output from the secondary HO2S to assess the air-fuel mixture and make necessary adjustments for optimal engine performance. If the readings indicate an abnormality, such as a lean signal, the PCM stores this DTC to alert technicians of a potential issue with the sensor or its circuit. Understanding this error is crucial for maintaining vehicle performance and emissions standards, as the HO2S plays a vital role in fuel mixture measurements. This presentation will guide you through diagnosing and resolving this issue effectively. The secondary HO2S, sensor 2, is a vital component typically located in the exhaust system after the catalytic converter. Its primary role is to monitor the oxygen levels in the exhaust gases, specifically the amount of unburned oxygen, which helps in determining the air-fuel mixture being fed into the engine. The sensor provides real-time feedback to the PCM, which uses this data to optimize engine performance and reduce emissions. If the output voltage of sensor 2 is lower than a specified value when the heater is activated, the PCM detects this as an anomaly. This sensor is crucial because it allows the vehicle to run efficiently while meeting environmental guidelines. Proper functioning of the secondary HO2S is imperative for the vehicle's fuel economy and emissions performance. There are several possible causes for the P2270 DTC. One primary reason could be a faulty secondary HO2S sensor 2 itself. Over time, sensors can wear out due to exposure to harsh exhaust gases, leading to inaccurate readings. Another potential issue could be poor electrical connections. Corrosion on the connectors or loose wiring can interrupt the signal transmission between the sensor and the PCM. Additionally, damaged wiring or broken insulation can cause the circuit to fail, resulting in a lean signal being reported. Each of these issues can impact the performance of the secondary HO2S, ultimately affecting the vehicle's engine operation and emissions. Thorough inspection of these components is necessary for accurate diagnosis. The symptoms associated with DTC P2270 can manifest in several ways. One of the most noticeable indicators is the illumination of the check engine light, CEL, on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a problem detected by the PCM. Additionally, drivers may experience poor fuel economy as the vehicle may not be running efficiently due to incorrect air-fuel mixture adjustments. Rough idling can also occur, where the engine struggles to maintain a steady speed, leading to noticeable vibrations. These symptoms can contribute to a less enjoyable driving experience and affect overall vehicle performance. Recognizing these warning signs early can help prevent further complications and ensure timely interventions. The first step in diagnosing DTC P2270 involves starting the engine and stabilizing the engine's speed. It is important to hold the engine at 3,000 revolutions per minute, RPM, without any load, ideally in the park or neutral position. This idling condition will enable the heating element of the secondary HO2S to activate effectively. Furthermore, allowing the engine to run at this speed until the radiator fan activates, then transitioning to idle for 2 minutes, helps the system to reach operating temperature. This procedure ensures that the secondary HO2S is working under normal operating conditions and provides accurate readings to the PCM. By isolating this process, technicians can better assess the performance of the sensor and determine if the DTC will reappear with the subsequent monitoring steps. In the second step, it is essential to conduct a test drive under specific conditions to validate the functionality of the secondary HO2S. The vehicle should be driven with the engine coolant temperature sensor 1 reading above 158 degrees Fahrenheit, 70 degrees Celsius. While in drive mode, the engine speed should be maintained between 1500 and 3000 RPM for at least 30 seconds. Monitoring the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, during this test allows technicians to check the OBD, onboard diagnostic status, and observe if the DTC P2270 is triggered again. This replicative driving condition aims to challenge the sensor's output and provide valuable, real-time data to either confirm or eliminate the hypothesis that the sensor is faulty. Proper execution of this step is crucial for a reliable diagnosis. Once repairs have been made, it is vital to verify that the issue has been resolved and the DTC no longer appears. Start by clearing the P2270 code from the PCM using the HDS. After clearing the DTC, it is crucial to conduct another test drive under similar conditions as previously described, ensuring that the vehicle's engine reaches desired performance levels. Monitoring the HDS for any reoccurrence of the DTC during this phase is essential. Successful validation means the repairs were effective, allowing the sensor to operate correctly without generating the lean signal. This verification process is a necessary final step to ensure the vehicle is operating optimally and in compliance with emission standards. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P2270, regular maintenance is key. Schedule periodic inspections of the secondary HO2S to ensure it is functioning correctly and to identify any early signs of wear that could lead to sensor failures. Cleaning electrical connectors can also enhance connectivity and reduce the risk of corrosion, which often leads to performance issues in the long run. Regularly checking wiring for damage can help catch potential problems before they escalate, ensuring better engine performance and fuel efficiency. By maintaining awareness of these components, vehicle owners can boost longevity and reliability while adhering to environmental regulations concerning emissions. In summary, DTC P2270 highlights the critical performance issues linked with the secondary HO2S in Honda CR-V vehicles. Understanding the sensor's role in maintaining optimal air-fuel ratios is fundamental to addressing issues effectively. By systematically following the outlined troubleshooting steps, technicians can accurately diagnose the problem, whether it's related to the sensor itself or the electrical connections. Any successful repair requires verification to confirm that the DTC has been cleared and the vehicle operates as intended. Additionally, adopting preventive maintenance practices will significantly mitigate the risk of similar errors occurring in the future. Utilizing this guide will empower both technicians and vehicle owners to maintain their Honda CR-Vs in peak condition. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.